everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the double magic ring. Now I have a video on my channel already on how to do a standard magic ring. Now if you are used to using the magic ring, you'll also know that it is notorious for coming undone, which is also why I have a video on how to repair magic rings that have come undone. Now, I have never had a problem with the double magic ring coming undone. Never. It is the most secure way of magic ringing things, if that's even a term. You will need to weave in your ends. With all magic circles, weave in your end. Okay, so for the double magic circle, it starts just the same as a normal magic circle. You have your tail end in your hand and you wrap your yarn once. That would be your normal magic circle start, but because this is a double, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it again. So rotate my fingers round. I have 3 loops of yarn instead of the usual 2. Now I'm holding on to everything with my thumb underneath here, and I'm going to pop my hook underneath those first 2 strands and grab that third one, which is attached to the working ball over here by my little finger. And I'm just going to pull that one through. And whilst I'm still holding on to everything underneath, I'm going to go ahead and chain 1 with the working yarn just to secure it. And then I can take this off my fingers. So you'll see you have your tail end here and 2 loops to work over. Now you treat this just as you would a normal magic ring. So you can just go ahead and place your stitches. I'm just going to do a couple chains there. So that's my first double crochet, and I crochet over everything. So this tail and these 2 loops. So go ahead and pop in however many stitches the pattern calls for. Doesn't have to be double crochet, it can be any stitch. I'm just going to do a few here, and then I can show you the crucial step, which is how you tighten up this double magic ring, because that's where most people come undone and get frustrated. It's actually very simple once you get the hang of it. Okay, so I've just thrown in a few stitches here. Now I'm going to take my hook out. I'm lifting this up just to be able to show you clearly what's going on. So you'll have your tail here and 2 loops on the inside of the work. So what we need to do is identify which loop is which to be able to tighten it up. So very, very slowly and gently give your tail end a tiny little pull, just a little, because you want to look at these 2 loops and identify which one is moving. So pull it. I'm pulling it really gently and slowly. And as I pull it, I can see that this one is the one that's tightening up. This one isn't doing anything. This one has got a bit tighter. So this is the loop we want to work with first. So once you've identified which of these loops that tail actually closes, take that loop. So this is the one that was tightening up as we pulled this tail end, and you want to go ahead and pull this so it tightens up that outer loop. So I'm just pulling it. If you pull it one way, you'll see it pulls the tail through. We don't want that. You want to pull it from the other way so that it tightens up this inner circle. So you can see off it goes, it's going round, it's tightening up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that. Make sure you pull these firmly. So I've pulled that one closed, which has closed up that hole. We're still left with a loop, which you can close like you would with a traditional magic circle using the tail end. Remember to pull it nice and tight and weave in this end. It will come undone if you don't weave in ends. Doesn't matter what you do, it's still going to come undone. Then you can go ahead and slip stitch to that first stitch of the round, or whatever the pattern calls for. And there you have your super secure double magic ring. So I hope you have enjoyed leveling up your magic circle game with me today. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a magic circle fan? I know some people just detest them with a passion. Are you one of those people? So until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.